Ferrowheel electric toothbrush for adults with 5 modes, smart timer, 8 brush heads, fully rechargeable with 1 4H charge, lasts 30 days, whitening ultrasonic toothbrushes with a travel case in black. Ultrasonic powerful cleaning with 40,000 micro brushes per minute. Enjoy clean and healthy teeth. Get a thorough cleaning with reduced noise, an overall upgrade over other regular electric toothbrushes. 1 4-hour charge, lasts 30 days, compatible with any power source with an auto shut-off after a full charge and a low battery reminder. The long battery life is supported by USB charging. This electric toothbrush is convenient to use at home or travel. Bring it on any trip with the easy-to-use adapter and USB cable. The 2-minute smart timer with interval pausing every 30 seconds encourages a good clean habit. 5 high-performance brushing modes to suit different conditions of teeth and gums. A 55-gram extra lightweight design that is less than half the weight of many other electric toothbrushes. Waterproof so it can be used in the bath and shower. 8 brush heads are included as well as a protective travel case. The bristles are made with DuPont nylon to suit teeth topography for thorough cleaning of gums and hard-to-reach areas. There is a rounded bristle top for safety and gentleness. With 8 brush heads that lasts 3 months each, they will last you for over 24 months. This is a good option for families. It's perfect for travel with the included convenient hard-shell travel case and the toothbrush head's hygienic protective cover. The long battery life is supported by USB charging. This electric toothbrush is convenient to use at home or travel. Bring it on any trip with the easy-to-use adapter and USB cable. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.